Turning off cruise control in your Toyota Corolla models from 1995 to 2025 is straightforward. For standard cruise control, simply tap the brake pedal or press the cancel button on the steering wheel. In manual transmission Corollas, depressing the clutch pedal also disengages cruise control. These methods are consistent across both manual and automatic transmissions. Remember, cruise control defaults to off after each key cycle in 2020-25 models for safety. Always prioritize using the brake for immediate deactivation in emergencies. Newer Toyota Corollas from 2018 onward often feature adaptive cruise control as part of the Toyota Safety Sense suite. To deactivate ACC, tap the brake pedal or press the cancel button on the steering wheel. Some models require holding cancel or selecting off through the multi-information display. Check your owner's manual for specifics. If ACC seems stuck, try a quick double press of cancel. Always be aware and prepared to manually take over vehicle control when deactivating ACC.